Today, we are unlocking a serious secret weapon inside HubSpot that helps you spot hot prospects before they ever fill out a form. This is intent signals, a powerful way to prioritize and engage high value companies earlier in the sales journey. Let's go. What are intent signals? The concept. When a company interacts online, like visiting your pricing page, researching topics that you care about, or even news events like funding, HubSpot can record those as intent signals. These are digital clues telling you which companies might be interested in the market researching your solution. Intent signals help you act before someone submits a lead form, giving your team a timing advantage. In HubSpot, head to Marketing and then go to Buyer Intent and then click on the Signals piece. So this is completely new. That is where you'll see all the companies that you're tracking and the signals HubSpot has collected. HubSpot tracks things like visitor intent changes, research intent level changes, company news events like funding, expansion, leadership shifts, job and contact activity, as well as product launches or growth milestones. Each of these appear as an event in HubSpot activity timeline. So you can see all of that in HubSpot. That gives you contextual cues instead of just page views telling you exactly what the company has intent for. Why intent signals matter? Here's the key. Not all leads are equal. Companies with strong intent signals are actively researching and what you're selling. If you reach out when they're ready in that mindset, your conversion rates will go up and your pipeline gets more predictable. Instead of generic outreach, you can prioritize high intent companies, personalized based on what they're researching, as well as trigger workflows and lead scoring based on real engagement. It turns guesswork into data-driven action. So here's how you can set it up. First, to start using the intent signals effectively in HubSpot, you can go ahead and track companies. You can add them manually or via a list. So you can have them either all the companies here or companies in your segment and then choose specific segments that you want. Let's say for the sake of example, I choose these ones and then I click on configure which signals that I want to do. And then I will start tracking these companies. And then we can configure which kind of intent data we're interested in. Is it executive hiring, funding, growth metrics, layoffs, research level changes, visitor intent, job start, job end, as well as if there's email bounces, you can track specific ones, you can remove others, so on and so forth. And once you can have these, you can also have different signals with ICPs commanded in these specific settings in the signals, as well as has workflow templates that have, for example, you can stop tracking signals when a company is closed won. You can turn these on. You can stop tracking intent signals if there's nothing happening for 90 days, stop it when there's company becomes a target account, so on and so forth. And then you can create a task whenever a company raises funding, for example, and all of the other intent signals could be, of course, automated. So use those triggers for tasks, lead scoring, notifications, or nurturing emails. Only track companies as a quick tip that you want to act on. Tracking too many will be just noise. So to get the most out of your intent signals, 1, focus on high intent pages first. Pricing, demo, solution pages. 2, use signal thresholds. Avoid noise from low value actions. 3, align sales and marketing on what signals meaningfully indicate buying interest. So what to avoid? Tracking every single visit, too much noise. Acting on every single signal without filtering by ICP. Ignoring signal-driven workflows this defeats the automation benefit. So, to recap, intent signals turn digital behavior into actionable sales insights. HubSpot tracks a variety of signals, not just site visits. Use them to focus your outreach, automate your workflows, and improve your prospecting and pipeline quality. If you found this helpful, smash that like button and subscribe, and check out the next video on how to turn intent signals into revenue-driving workflows in HubSpot.